Hello everybody, Jonathan here to talk about the Christmas period. You see, Christmas is not just one day. In fact, it usually starts before December 25th. On about the 23rd of December, we stop going to school and we start getting ready for Christmas. The day before, Christmas Eve, the 24th, well, now we are really ready and waiting for Christmas. I'm just spending the whole day looking at the presents under the tree and thinking about the great food the next day. And then, of course, Christmas Day happens. I rip open those presents, find out what's inside, get all the family together to have a great meal, relax in the evening, and usually fall asleep far earlier than normal. Then the 26th, Boxing Day. That's the day after Christmas. Well, I had a huge turkey yesterday, so I'm going to make turkey sandwiches and use up everything that we didn't eat the day before and just spend the day relaxing and enjoying the time away from school and work. Then the 27th, well, I'm probably still relaxing me. The 28th, now I really want to get out of the house and get away from the family and try and find my friends, go see my friends. The 29th, I'm usually spending with all of my friends, playing some games, maybe a board game or a card game. Then we have the 29th. Now I start thinking about New Year. The 30th, yeah, I've started making preparations, planning what's going to happen on New Year night. And then the 31st, that is the moment where we get all of our friends together, wait until midnight so we can all bring in the new year with happiness and joy. And then January 1st, well, we stayed awake very late the last night, so that's usually a day of sleep and rest. And then in England, it's back to school and back to work on the 2nd of January, straight away. What do you do after New Year's? Do you go straight back to school, or do you have some time to relax? How do you spend your time away from school?